sanitizer helps us to cool our phone, although it's a myth by my friend who has just asked me whether it is possible. So in this video we're going to check out whether it is actually possible or it's just a myth. We are going to burst up the myth in this video. Moving ahead to the video, let me show you a sanitizer which I have. So this sanitizer contains an alcohol amount of almost 72%. So let me show you at the back. Okay, you can see now it contains 72% of ethyl alcohol, which means ethanol. So other compositions may be some different, like there may be perfume or other things which are not required so much. The major component is alcohol. I can show you another sanitizer. This contains 95%. You can check out here. It contains 95% of alcohol. So that means something crazy with it. Okay, so next stuff I'm going to show you is this phone. This is Redmi Note 3 and I'm going to show you how we can cool up this phone with that. So for that I'm going to heat up my phone. So let me turn it on first, and then later let me show you the temperature. So let me just turn on the monitor. So let us understand it first practically. So for understanding practically, let me show you about ethyl alcohol. So ethyl alcohol, which is also known as ethanol, so let me show you, it is also known as ethanol. You can see that ethanol. And if I speak about the molecular formula or the chemical name of it, is C3 CH2 and OH. You can see that CH3 CH2 OH. And if I speak about the structural formula of ethyl alcohol or ethanol, it is, you can check out on the screen. It's just simple. There are 6 hydrogen, 2 carbon and 1 alcohol bond, that OH. So it causes ethanol, it leads to ethanol. So next step I'm going to tell you about how does it will cause cooling. So it is due to, I can say, as properties of ethanol. So let us understand first the properties of ethanol. So the first property I can say is it is liquid at room temperature. That is the most important property. It is liquid at room temperature. So next property I'm going to tell you is it has very low melting and boiling point. That is the most important property I can say as. And next up we are going to check out about evaporation. So this is a property we are going to speak here. This is a property which we are going to mention in this video, or we are going to consider. So you can check out here how is the composition of everything compiled in this. So next step is going to be about evaporation. Why does it cause cooling? So why it actually causes cooling? So in this case we are going to consider ethanol because we are using sanitizer. So about ethanol, let me tell you about, as we have discussed about properties of ethanol. So ethanol or ethyl alcohol, which is getting heat from the environment to get evaporated. So the environment we can consider is our mobile phone, because our mobile phone is heated up and we have to cool it with the ethanol. So due to this heat, I can say as loss of energy occurs. So loss of energy occurs. So the carbon atoms need to regain the energy which they have lost in the form of hydrogen. So while regaining the energy, we feel the feeling of cold. So we get the environment to be cold in temperature, I can say as, or it is just cold. Or I can say as, to regain hydrogen atoms or hydrogen electrons, it requires some energy. So the energy, while getting converted to the hydrogen atoms, while receiving hydrogen atoms, the feeling of cool, I can say as cool feeling, or we feel cool. So is this practically possible? So let us try it practically with our phone. So I'm going to use this phone, very old phone. So I'm going to show you first the temperature is 33 degrees Celsius, quite good temperature, not quite high and low. So what I'm going to do is I wanted to heat this phone. So let me turn on the tracking mode of the temperature and turn on the flashlight, Wi-Fi and everything, every widget I can possibly turn on to get the phone heated up. So I'm trying to turn on GPS, Bluetooth, and everything that I can possibly turn on. I will also turn on some heavy apps which drain a lot of battery, so that drainage may cause lot of battery drainage may cause uh, increase in uh, processor usage, which will lead to battery getting warm. So next step, I'm going to also increase the brightness of the screen so that the battery may drain very quickly. So I'm going to turn on PUBG, although I have not updated it, but it will still help in draining out the battery and making the phone warm. So I would like to just keep a watch beside to check out the timing, and I would like to keep it for somewhat 5 to 10 minutes to get the temperature up to 37 to 38 degrees Celsius. So as you can check out now, the temperature is 37. I have kept it for 5 minutes and the temperature is now 37 degrees Celsius. So you can check out there, as I have turned on the tracking mode of the battery. Later what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply alcohol or ethanol of the sanitizer, or I can say as directly I'm going to apply sanitizer to the display of the phone so that it may get cooled up. Let's see whether it works actually. So I applied on my screen, and I would like to also apply on the back side where the processor is actually placed. So I just made a gentle spread, and also at the back side, on the battery top, and also on the processor side. So I just rubbed it gently so that the alcohol gets spread up to the phone. So you can check out there. So although the temperature difference is not so much now, because I also turned on flashlight and everything, because it may take a little time. So let me show you, but every app is running, everything is running as usual, as was before. So now you can check out the temperature. It's 36 degrees Celsius. 1 degree has been fallen off. So this we can conclude